In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Glory Days by the boss, Bruce Springsteen. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Well, you probably recognize that lick by the fantastic, legendary Bruce Springsteen, also known as the Boss. That's called Glory Days, and right about now I'm thinking about that at this time of life. I had a good opportunity actually to play with Bruce a bunch of times when I toured with Clarence Clemens as his musical director, so I got to play this song a few times with Bruce firsthand, so I got the vibe of it. Before we go on, I wanted to say please subscribe down below, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you on the team, and hit me up if you got any comments, whatever you got, I'd love to hear from you. So we're in the key of A here, and this is kind of a good time party song, and you know, it's about looking back on our lives and the good times and all that, which we all do, and hopefully we all have plenty of. So the move on this one in the key of A is a kind of a. So what I'm doing there is I'm taking an A chord, using my index finger to flatten it out there, and I'm going into like a D position here. So the third finger's on the fourth fret of the D, the second finger is on the 3 of the B, and it goes like this. So you start out with that target note, that low A. You can either go up here, which is exactly the same move, but up to the 7th fret. So I would say if you're playing an electric guitar and you got a bass pumping down below and maybe you got a rhythm section, absolutely. You see I'm going. So I got that on the 9th fret. Okay, you got the A9 with the 3rd finger. It's a real common rock and roll move. But for what we're doing here on acoustic guitar, which I primarily reimagine these songs to play either with 1 or 2 acoustic guitars, I would do this. Doing there, I got my D, so you might normally play it like that. You got to utilize your index finger on the 2 in order to access this 3rd finger here.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
And generally it's kind of a staccato thing, so it's... Okay? I got a friend who was a big baseball player back in high school. He could throw that old speedball like make you look like a fool. There goes the E. exercise in dynamics, rock and roll dynamics. And having played that, like I mentioned a couple times with Bruce, he gets into a whole, he's a real storyteller. He gets into a whole rap about what it was like in high school in New Jersey and playing the bars and the Jersey Shore, like the Stone Pony, which I played many times with Clarence. So yeah, I feel like I got a little bit of history with this song and with this artist. So really the song itself is just... that turnaround. I'm taking an E chord and I'm flattening an A. Or I like it better with the A in there. Now the way they do it, just so you know, is once again with a band, you go all the way up to the 9th fret. Same move, right? Back to the D. Okay, so you're utilizing, in that case, if you want to do like more of an electric version. So that's the vibe. That's the energy of Glory Days. And of course, if you watch that song on the video, you can watch it. It was a big hit on MTV with Miami Steve Van Zandt sitting next to him, standing next to him as he always did, and Clarence blowing the sax. The Mighty E Street Band just laying it out, and they go forever at the end. So if you're sitting around with your friends, thing going. That's an example of a rock and roll groove that just goes on forever and takes you right on down the road, which is where I'm going to see you. We'll catch you next time.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.